Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shamant, and our teammates are Pawan, Ramesh, and Srujan. Virtualization is a cornerstone of modern computing, enabling the creation of virtual machine learning. The function as complete isolated computer system stop a single physical machine. This technique rules on a hypervisor like VirtualBox as we malware to abstract the host physical hardware, CPU, memory, storage, and networking, and allocate portions of three resources to each guest. This allows multiple disparate operating systems to run concurrently, offering benefits in sources, utilization, isolation, and cost reduction. Windows 11 versus Kali Unix. This experiment leverages a Type 2 hypervisor architecture running a host OS to install and configure Kali Unix as a guest VM or a Windows 11 host. This setup a safe sandboxed environment to utilize Kali Unix, a distribution renowned for the advanced security editing and generation testing tools without compromising the host system integrity or stability. Experimental setup. Next, host machine specification. Operating system Windows 11, primary operating system and the foundation for the Type 2 hypervision. It also the benchmark for the comparative analysis. Processor Intel Core i5, random access memory 18 GB. The total pool of memory to be shared this modest amount is critical for observation resources continuation when the guest has a running virtualization platform tool. Oracle VirtualBox server as the type hypervisor. It creates the hardware abstraction layer, allowing Kali Linux to run without modification and facilitating the assignment and the dynamic management of CPU, RAM, and disk resources. Next, guest operating system OS Kali Linux. It is explicitly designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. It runs a highly optimizing Linux kernel contrasting with the Windows kernel. vCPUs 1 core single threaded tool RAM 4 GB, 50% of the host physical RAM, a common practice to run the guest comfortably while leaving sufficient resources for the Windows host to function. Storage 50 GB dynamically allocated. Next, observation. Process management used HTOP CLI based GUI based task manager. CPU scheduling Kali Linux primitive configure via CLI. Windows 11 primitive dynamic priority. Memory management Kali Linux manual swap configuration. Windows 11 automatic pegging and memory map. Resource handling lightweight manual driver install. Windows 11 heavy automatic driver support. Process management Kali manages progress with command line took while Windows use a graphical GUI task manager. CPU scheduling both systems are primitive but Kali is manually configured via command line while Windows user use automatic dynamic priority. Memory management Kali requires manual setup of swap space whereas Windows automatically manages if virtual memory. Resource handling Kali is lightweight and often need manual driver installation while Windows is heavier and includes broad automatic drive support. Next, Comparative evaluation. The comparative evaluation highlight that the virtualized Kali Linux environment offers superior direct control and predictability for resources intensive tasks essential for cybersecurity professionals who have used needed to isolate performance and manage a system load manually. The Windows 11 host, by contrast, providing a more resistant, automated, and user-centric environment that prioritizes a seamless front-end experience, even if it comes at the cost of higher base resources consumption. The experiment confirms that lightweight guessed it ideal load for the VM, as in efficiency, the performance penalty imposed by virtualization layer on the Windows host. Conclusion. This experiment efficiently utilized virtualization to compare the distinct operational philosophies of the Kali Linux guest and the Windows 11 host. The research confirmed that the licensed kernel in Kali excels at manual granular resources kernel, demonstrating a lean and efficient design suitable for specialized tasks. In contrast, the Windows 11 kernel provides user experience and customization dynamically, managing resources to ensure a stable and responsive desktop environment for general use. Virtualization provides crucial providing the necessary isolation and flexibility to test both systems simultaneously and safely confirming their respective strength is resources management, control and efficient for Kali verse of use and abstraction for Windows. Thank you.